Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x dx divided by 1 plus x4. Okay, you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you define x2 as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of this equation, you will get 2x dx will be equal to du. In other words, x dx will be equal to 1 divided by 2 times du. Okay, so now if you substitute these two expressions into this integral, you can rewrite this integral as, instead of x dx, I write 1 divided by 2 times du. 1 divided by 2 is constant, therefore I can take it out of the integral. Okay, divided by 1 plus x4. x2 is equal to u, therefore x4 will be equal to u2. Okay, and this will be equal to 1 divided by 2. From table of integral, we know that the integral of du divided by 1 plus u2 is equal to tangent minus 1 u plus c, which is the constant of the integral. So all you need to do is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is equal to x2, which will be equal to 1 divided by 2 times tangent minus 1 x2 plus c. Okay, and that's the solution to this integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe in this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.